So as you're coming up the Upper Newton Road, you get to the big KFC, passing Belm Church Road, you get to 430 Upper Newton Road, and it's this big building with a pointy roof. There's a parking spot here that says York Wellbeing, and that's my office right there. Come in, press the bottom buzzer. It says York Wellbeing. And then here's the office. Come on in, you can have a coffee if you like. Or some water. We'll have a chat. See what you'd like to get from the session, but you can just relax here. Put the feet up. Take this time for you to really enjoy relaxing. And how incredible hypnotherapy is. I look forward to seeing you soon.